Hello everyone. Hope everyone is doing fine. Keep safe. Don't go out if you don't have any work. And before going to our video, welcome to our channel Trendset Power, Power of a Common Man. And today, before going to our content, I want to demonstrate something. You see, I kept mic to our beard, to my beard. Sorry. Uh, First time I saw something that beer can also hold the mic. You see, like this, because this mic is very low, I think. So I kept here, so the voice will be nice. Yeah, coming to the point. Um, Today I want to demonstrate regarding the handle rise for the Himalayan. Though the Himalayan is a very height bike, but I am feeling a little bit high, what you say, low height of the handle, so that I am feeling little bit uncomfortable. So I want to raise the handle somewhat up. So I was searching for handlebar raisers in the internet and other sites, so many sites, but it's very costly. It's around 1200, 1600, 1800, like that. But I saw somewhere this video also. Uh, by using this part, this is called top razor textured black, and its part number is 890083, and we can purchase in Royal Enfield showroom. And actually this part is on the handlebar, top of the handlebar, already on Himalayans. Those who own the Himalayans, you can I will show this. You can see this is always like this on the handle. So how we can raise the handle by using this? We can use two these kind of top raisers. Already there is a stock top raiser you in it. I want to install this on the downside of the handle, so you can see this height, this 30 height will be increased. Height of the handle will be increased, and the handle somewhat come towards us, so that a little bit comfortable, more comfortable. Actually the handle is also very comfortable, not an issue, but some more comfortable we can feel by after by while saddling. There will be a little bit we have to bend like this, but if we install this, it come towards us, so that we can saddle in the straight position. So how we can install this? And before installing this, you should get these bolts, these Ln bolts are 6 number. And if and because the stock Ln bolts are around 40 only, and because if we are installing another 30 so it will go like this. So this I think in the stock it will be up to here only. So it is a shortfall of the threads of the Ln bolts. So you have to purchase these Ln bolts from the showroom itself. For example, if we don't find the lengths everything, and you simply follow the handle, what you say, you can keep the handlebar. Weights are there, external bar, external what you say, bars, and you can take that bolt, and you can take these bolts from the showroom and you can install it. Um, so let's go today go and install this uh, top riser on the Himalayan, and let's see how it will be. I want to demonstrate. And one more thing, if you observe this, uh, you see somewhat it's like this, because it should come forward, somewhat forward. So while combining these both the texture black, so we have to align first, because if you don't align, then it will not set. So let us go and install on the Himalayan. Friends, I forgot to say that its MRP is 200 rupees, and it's very cheap, and the bolt cost around 10 rupees. Actually there is no stock in the garage, So I took this bolt from the local hardware shop, and you should take original only, because the threads, it's a high tension bolt, and this is very important because it the bolts will hold the handle. If the bolts are of low quality, then you will be in a problem. So you take only good quality, and this process cost around you 240 rupees only. You can install easily, and let us try first. If it is comfortable, okay, otherwise we can go for the other top risers, but most of them are satisfied with this, so let's go and install. Friends, now let's install this top riser, and this is the stock top riser, and these are the stock bolts, and the height of the handlebar is I don't know exactly measurement, but we can increase up to 30 as I said earlier. So let's do that job. For this we need this 6 Allen key to remove these 4 bolts, and later we will fix these under this like this, and we will replace the handle, and we will keep this as it is, and we will replace these bolts, these new bolts in place of these bolts, because as I said, this is less in length and this is more in length, because we are installing this 30 so we need to get into the threads this bolt. So let's do that. uh, let's remove this with these Allen keys. As I already loosened these bolts, because it's a factory fitted bolts, so there will be gum in it. So loose it carefully, otherwise there is a chance of breaking the threads inside, then you will remove entire this set. So be careful while removing these bolts. You should rotate in anti-clockwise like this, it will come very easily. After that you remove partially, you first lose this, then you remove, otherwise it may there is a chance of breaking this part. So be careful while removing. Friends, I am removing these 4 bolts. You see the handle already loose. In the same way you remove all these 4 bolts, then this will come out. You see this came out. Now keep this handle aside like this. And now I want to say something. uh, you should keep like this, both should align. If you keep like this, then there is no alignment. You see there is a gap in between. Now you should keep like this, then there is no gap, it's these both are aligned. So you keep as it is like this, and I will come back by keeping, let's keep the old one under it like this. See, I will keep like this, then uh, and one more thing, you see the length of the bolt, as I said we are increasing 30 height, so this 30 height will be more, so that it will go until here, threading is here, so be careful while tightening. So now complete the job, keep like this part, and you just keep this handle like this on it, and keep this part as it is like this, and you keep these new bolts in the threads, keeping one bolt here, second, third, fourth. Now just we will tight these bolts, and later you should tight a little bit, because later we can adjust this position according to our what you say, comfort. First of all, I want to, as I said, you tight the bolts partially in the diagonally, because there is a chance of breakage, as I said earlier. Because this is not what is it will, this will break. Sorry for that. Now I'll adjust the handle. I think this will okay. Okay. Now I will tight this. While tightening the bolt, you should revolve in the clockwise direction like this. So you may adjust the handle according to your comfort, and you just tight the bolts and the job is completed. So we can do like that, like this, and we can increase the height up to 30 mm. I will show now. You see height. I should full tight the bolts. I will do later. You see this height 30 mm is increased, so I can be comfortable now. Later I will say how it will be, and I will end the video now, so you can try yourself by purchasing this at a local Royal Enfield authorization dealer, this one and these 4 bolts, and you can complete the job in 240 rupees. So thank you for watching this video. I will come back with you another nice video. Thank you.